Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can send Teams meeting invite in Outlook. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just open a browser and search here Microsoft. Click on the first site, like you just need to open the official site, and just right here you need to sign up with your account. Once you do that, just here in this all Microsoft drop down you need to click on Outlook. Again we need to sign up here on the Outlook, so just click on sign in. Now just choose your account. Once the Outlook is open, we're gonna compose an event. So for that, just head over to this option which is new, and underneath we have the option event. Click on that, and just right here we need to give the title for the meeting. I'm gonna type test. Here you can just invite the team members, like whomever you wanna invite, just enter their email addresses. And right now here you can choose the date when you wanna hold this event or meeting. Choose the time as well, like this. And now here if you look at this, they have toggle on the option Teams meeting. So because we have logged in our Outlook account through Microsoft, that's why they have automatically enabled the Teams meeting option. Otherwise if you do this from Outlook app, this will not work. So that's why we go through Microsoft. Anyways, now here you can just enter the description for your meeting. So it's up to you, whatever you wanna do on this particular window, like setting this meeting for recurring, you can do that. You can enter the location, it's up to you. Once you do that, just click on send, and yeah, as you can see the event is created. If we go to calendar, just right here you will able to see that event. You can just click on the meeting, click on this drop down and copy join link for this meeting. In case if you want to invite more people, you can use this link in that case. So let's say I can just go to mail, click on this option. In order to compose new mail, you can enter the credentials of those people whom you wanna invite and just paste the link of the meeting. So once the people click on this link, they'll automatically get into your Teams meeting which you have created. But yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you can send Teams meeting invite in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.